Unim say asat now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko still na emme announce say omone Enoch Morrison a terminate contract. A player an interviewer or ye the case beno. Ena or kasi coach a friend a catch zone in ye but asat now Kotoko and for official statements be a Emma Bontin. Now what it means is say a beer mempai bon say a beer na decision no akosisa because Enoch Morrison and send some more from the American dear and some the bebre woni ugum of the field issues in same be but Enoch Morrison free Kotoko because when you form media born na utimi bo a me pa and then nkomodi a odi and after that say coach ne kaje say untimi nto aso Kotoko biom no Onya broken hearts. It was heartbreaking to him, but I'm also accepting decision, no moving on. My heart is broken. Enoch Morrison on Kesben TV after Kotoko coach Ogum called to inform him he can't work with him at Kotoko. It was heartbreaking to me because this team has always been a team I wanted to play and win trophies. But this news can't break me down as a player. But I'm pained because I wanted to finish my contract in a very beautiful way so that I'll live in peaceful. I don't know how this happened, but I accept it in good faith and move on with my career. Enoch Morrison on Kesben TV. Or say, Eya, non the Opesenko bono contract akabe 7 months almost to advance season, Nanka or the Kotoko we in peaceful, but also accepted the decision of moving on. There is a breed of hope to the fact say Kotoko still na me confirm say omo ene na wie e bia na enkomo twetwe fufuro bi akoso na Enoch atena well because interesting days ahead and I say seniors so onya kode a wonko ne enkope obi fufuro nsem e wo akire doso nsem e wo akire die doso but yebe mia nini aka nsem no in the next videos the won bia yebeka trust Super 24 TV nsem ne de